Okay, folks, so this is our graphing activity for Spokane's September 2024 weather data. And so the first thing we're going to do is look at day one, which happened to be a Sunday. And our high was 99. And on day two, our high was 91. So let's just graph those highs. So we're going to come over here. And we have our highs here for 2024. And number one is actually this line right here. Right, so that the number is slightly in front of its line. You'll notice that each bar here for the temperatures has an open space. So as you can see up here, if we're essentially going to estimate. So the first one was 100. Well, it was 99. So I'm going to put a dot right in here because we're rounding it. It's about 100 on day one for the correct temperature, and then day two would have been 91. I had to go back and check. So that's going to be round to about, whoops, put it on the wrong line. It's going to round to about 90. So on day two, which is right here, I'm going to put that. And notice what it's doing is it's going to form a nice line graph. So those are our highs, but I also need the lows over here for 2024. So I'm going to go back, and that's 57 there and 60 there. So those are both about the same. They're both going to end up in the 60 range. So day one, the low was here at 60. And day two, I'm rounding, so we're calling it 60. So that's our low, that's our high. But we also have these record highs and lows. So I'm just going to pick a different color. It doesn't really matter what it is. So for my record high is over here. The record high was 98 and the record low was 37. So on the record high, it's going to be here. And you're saying, oh, but that's over the top of. I know. It's okay. We're just trying to get an idea of the trends. So that was my record high for day one. Record high for day two is going to be 97, which puts it again about there.